Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, right? Okay. You know, I promised you I'm going to show you every style and color that I can, and I am keeping that promise. Heading into 2023, I'm going to continue to show you everything I can. This is Henry Margu HANNAH. The color is 31H. Now, I purchased this wig with my own funds from Wig Studio One. I have Hannah in a blonde. I loved it that much. I wanted to try it in a different color, so I thought I'm going to try a darker color this time. You know, I've been wearing a lot of reds. I've fallen in love with the reds actually, and I thought I want to start doing a little more brunette, show you a little more variety in that category. So I bought this one in 31H because I knew I loved the style and I wanted to show you this color. Now, Hannah is so beautiful. It has everything I like. It has flippy ends. This is a super layered wig. It is layered all over, which gives it this beautiful movement. It has a lace front. It has a mono top. Look at this lace front. Now, honestly, it really doesn't get much better than that. That just blends right in to your head. Look how pretty that is. It is really beautiful. Now let's talk about this color. This 31H is a dark auburn, and it's got medium brown, and then look at these highlights. It has these warm strawberry blonde highlights. I'm going to show it to you in some different lighting. I'm going to go outside. I'll insert it up here somewhere, and I will show you how this looks in some outdoor lighting. But this has a lot of movement. If you like a little longer style, you might give this one a try. It's very comfortable. Now, this fits me a little large. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and Henry Margu fits me a little large. Easily, with the adjusters, you can easily get a good fit of it with this one. This is part of their Naturally Yours collection. Just a beautiful, longer style, again, with lots of movement. It has this bang. Now you could cut a straight across bang into this if you wanted to. I just like mine swept off to the side because, and it's long enough that you can wear it, just kind of let it sweep to the side and then pull it forward like that. There's so many ways you can wear this wig. Okay, like I said, you can wear this lots of ways. First of all, I want to make sure I can wear it with my glasses. I can. Now I slip my glasses over the top of my ear tabs. I know some people wear them underneath. That's just not comfortable for me. I slip them right above the ear tabs, right over them. It works perfectly. Easy to wear glasses with this one. A headband is always a good thing in my opinion. Now this is low density. Like I said, it is a mono top and a lace front. So it is a low density style. There is, you know, this is long hair. This is not a short wig. So if you are looking for something with a little bit of length, yet you still want something that doesn't have a lot of permatease or anything like that, you might just consider giving this one a try. Now, it's got enough length that you could wear this in a low ponytail if you'd like, which I think actually would be really pretty with this wig. The bang is 5½ inches like we were saying. Now, it has a long 7-inch nape. The top is 4 to 11, so that shows you right there. There's a lot of layering here, and the sides are 3½ and they go all the way down to 9 inches. So 3½ to 9 on the sides, 7-inch nape, 5½ inch bang. So those are your specs there. Like I said, it works with the headband. Now, if you wanted to pull this completely off your face because it has that pretty lace front, sure, you can do that too. I always just pull a little hair out so it just covers my bio hair. But this wig, and when I take this headband off, I'm going to show you, has excellent coverage. Just want to make sure you see that. You can barely see my bio hair right there. The ear tab is right above my ear. There's my bio hair on this side. So it has excellent coverage on this one. I just take a wide tooth comb. I keep one of these in my purse during the day, and several times during the day I will just gently run a wide tooth comb through it just to keep any tangles out. Now if I want to piece it out a little bit, I have a little bit of this wig wax, and I will spray that on it and just separate the fibers, run my hands through it, separate the fibers a little. You've seen me use water many times. This also is great for flyaways, just using a little bit of this. And you can use this just to create some texture, separate the fibers, get some movement in here. And I've told you so many times, get your hands in these wigs, pull them away from the cap. Get your hands, pull the fibers away. That, as you can see, just that little bit creates a lot of movement here. Okay, let's look at the inside of the cap. Here's a look at the inside of the cap for Henry Margu HANNAH. Again, this large monotop we talked about. And look at the extended lace front here. Really a nice job. They do such a beautiful job on their caps. Closed ear tabs, extended felt nape, Velcro adjusters. Lots of stretch here. And here's another look at 31H. Look at this gorgeous auburn. And the highlighting is just beautiful with these warm strawberry blonde highlights. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this look at Henry Margu HANNAH. I hope you will try this wig. Again, if you're just looking for something a little longer, just think about keeping a few of these wigs on hand. They work great with hats in the fall and winter. They work again in a low ponytail. So there's a lot you can do with a little bit longer style. I like to keep a few in my wig wardrobe just to have on hand. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you next time.